Not long ago, drones felt like something only professionals or hobbyists with deep pockets could enjoy. They looked complicated, sounded technical, and seemed hard to control, enough to scare off most beginners. But things have changed. Today, there are plenty of beginner-friendly drones that are affordable, simple to fly, and full of smart features to help you capture amazing footage without stress. In this video, we'll look at 6 of the best drones for beginners, what makes each one stand out, and who they're best suited for. You'll find links to all the drones mentioned in the description below. Number 6. HoverAir X1. If you're looking for a drone that feels more like a pocket-sized camera than a flying machine, the HoverAir X1 is a fantastic place to start. This ultra-lightweight drone is designed specifically for beginners who want something simple, safe, and easy to carry anywhere. One of the standout features is its compact folding design. When folded, it fits in the palm of your hand and can slide right into your pocket or bag. Unlike most drones, the HoverAir X1 doesn't even need a traditional controller. You can operate it directly from your smartphone app or use one of its pre-programmed flight modes, so there's almost no learning curve. Weighing just under 125 grams, it's so light that in many countries you won't even need to register it. Despite the small size, it does an excellent job of hovering steadily and can even track you as you move, which is perfect for capturing selfies, walking shots, or quick vlogs. Safety is also a big part of the HoverAir X1's design. The propellers are fully enclosed with guards, making it safe to launch and catch by hand. It also features automatic takeoff and landing, basic obstacle detection, and an emergency stop function, all of which add to your peace of mind. Of course, being this tiny comes with trade-offs. Its range and flight time are both limited. Expect about 10 to 12 minutes of flying per charge, and it's best used within close proximity. This makes it more suited for selfies, quick clips, and casual use rather than long flights or dramatic landscape shots. Overall, the HoverAir X1 is perfect for solo travelers, vloggers, or anyone nervous about flying a drone who just wants something safe, portable, and hassle-free. Number 5. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a great example of how DJI manages to pack impressive technology into an affordable and approachable package. If you've always wanted to try a DJI drone but didn't want to start with a high-priced professional model, the Neo is an excellent first step. It has a compact and sturdy build that feels reassuringly solid but light enough to carry anywhere. One of its best qualities for beginners is the selection of smart modes. Automatic takeoff and landing makes starting and finishing a flight stress-free, and the return-to-home feature ensures it comes back safely if the battery runs low or you lose sight of it. For capturing your flights, the DJI Neo comes equipped with a stabilized camera that shoots smooth HD video and decent still images. The built-in gimbal helps keep your shots steady, even if your piloting isn't perfect yet, which is exactly what beginners need. Another big plus is the DJI Fly app, which is intuitive and beginner-friendly. It guides you through the basics with tutorials and even includes built-in safety zones to help you avoid flying into restricted areas. This extra guidance makes your first flights feel much more relaxed. In terms of performance, the Neo offers a respectable 20 to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge, and the range is more than enough for casual exploration and filming. It's worth noting that the Neo isn't built for strong winds and its camera resolution won't match DJI's premium drones, but that's expected at this price point. For anyone looking to experience the quality and reliability of DJI without spending too much, the Neo is an ideal starting point, affordable, capable, and beginner-friendly. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 strikes a nice balance between beginner-friendly simplicity and more professional features, making it a strong choice for those who want to take their first steps with a bit more capability. It's a mid-level beginner drone that delivers surprisingly advanced touches at a reasonable price. One of the most impressive aspects of the Atom 2 is its 4K camera, which captures crisp, detailed video and photos. The 3-axis gimbal is a standout feature in this price range, helping to keep your footage steady even if the drone moves around in light wind. Combined with its solid GPS stability, the Atom 2 provides smooth, professional-looking shots without much effort. Its design is also worth noting. The drone folds down neatly, making it easy to pack and carry wherever you go. It's lightweight enough to be portable, but it still feels sturdy and well-made, so you won't feel like you're handling a toy. Flying it is straightforward thanks to beginner-friendly features like one-touch takeoff and landing, automatic return to home, and a follow-me mode that tracks your movements. These smart modes make it easy to get great shots while you focus more on the moment than the controls. The Atom 2 offers around 25 minutes of flight time per charge, which is solid for its category, and the range is more than enough for most casual flights. If there's one drawback, it's that the companion app can feel a little less polished and intuitive compared to DJI's. Some menus and settings may take a moment to figure out. For beginners who want premium-level features like 4K, a gimbal, and GPS, but prefer not to spend as much as a DJI model, the Potensic Atom 2 delivers excellent value and a satisfying flying experience. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 has become a proven favorite for both beginners and intermediate pilots, thanks to its balance of portability, ease of use, and professional quality results. It's a drone that makes it easy to capture impressive footage without feeling overwhelmed by complicated controls. One of the first things you'll notice about the Mini 3 is its weight, just under 249 grams. This makes it light enough that in many countries you won't need to register it, while still feeling substantial and well-built. Despite its small size, it comes with a high-quality 4K HDR camera that produces sharp, vibrant videos and photos that look like they came from a much more expensive drone. The Mini 3 also offers excellent battery life for its class. You can expect about 30 to 35 minutes of flight time per charge, which gives you plenty of room to experiment and get the shots you want. Its wind resistance is surprisingly good for such a small drone, and the footage remains stable even in less than perfect conditions. For beginners, the intelligent flight modes are a huge help. Features like quick shots, panorama, and tracking let you create cinematic shots with just a tap on the screen. You don't need advanced piloting skills to get impressive results. The controller is comfortable to hold and pairs seamlessly with DJI's app, which is clean and intuitive. The app provides clear tutorials, status updates, and safety warnings that guide you every step of the way. If there's a drawback, it's that the Mini 3 doesn't have obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, so you'll still need to fly with care. And the price is a step above more basic models, but the quality makes it worthwhile. For beginners who want professional-looking footage and a smooth learning experience, the DJI Mini 3 is an excellent choice. Number 2. DJI Mini4K. The DJI Mini4K builds on the strong foundation of the Mini 3 and takes it up a notch, making it an excellent choice for beginners who value added safety and more advanced shooting options. This newer model adds smarter features and improved technology while keeping the same compact and beginner-friendly design. One of its biggest upgrades is the improved obstacle avoidance system. Unlike the Mini 3, the Mini 4K comes equipped with sensors on the front, back, and downward-facing sides, making it much safer to fly. These sensors help prevent collisions when moving in different directions, which is a huge confidence booster for new pilots. The camera has also been upgraded with sharper image quality and more refined tracking and filming modes. Whether you're shooting sweeping landscape shots or trying to follow a moving subject, the Mini 4K handles it with ease and produces clear, vibrant footage. Despite these improvements, it still weighs under 249 grams, so it remains travel-friendly and usually exempt from registration requirements in many regions. This makes it easy to bring along on trips without extra hassle. You can expect up to 34 minutes of flight time per charge, which is excellent for its size, and the wind resistance has been slightly improved, adding even more stability to your flights. Of course, all these upgrades come at a cost. The Mini 4K is more expensive than the Mini 3, and for casual users who don't need the extra safety and camera enhancements, it might feel like more than necessary. But for beginners who want advanced obstacle detection, cinematic shots, and peace of mind while flying, the DJI Mini 4K is a fantastic choice that combines safety and performance beautifully. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. For beginners who want the absolute best entry-level drone experience, the DJI Mini4 Pro stands at the top of the list. It's designed for those who value safety, ease of use, and professional-grade features, packed into a lightweight and portable design. This is the drone that truly gives you everything DJI has to offer in a beginner-friendly package. Building on the already impressive Mini 4K, the Mini 4 Pro takes obstacle sensing to the next level. With omnidirectional sensors, it can detect obstacles in all directions, front, back, sides, and below, making it much harder to accidentally crash. This added layer of protection helps beginners fly with more confidence even in tight or complex environments. The camera has also been upgraded, delivering noticeably better performance in low-light conditions and improved HDR video, which helps bring out more detail and color in your footage. Smarter tracking capabilities allow you to keep subjects in frame more effectively, even when they're moving unpredictably. Some of its most advanced features include waypoint flight planning, where you can pre-program a route for cinematic shots, master shots, which automatically combines different maneuvers for a polished video clip, and better HDR modes that enhance both photos and video. These tools make it easy to create professional-looking content, even if you're just starting out. The flight time remains around 34 minutes per battery, and it still weighs under 249 grams, keeping it portable and usually free from registration requirements in many areas. Another nice touch is the optional RC2 controller, which comes with its own bright display screen, eliminating the need to connect your smartphone. The only downsides here are the higher price and the fact that some of its advanced features may feel a bit overwhelming at first for casual users. But if you're a beginner who wants the safest, most polished, and future-proof experience available in a small drone, the DJI Mini4 Pro is unmatched in its class, an investment that will serve you well even as your skills grow. Thanks for sticking with us as we walk through these 6 excellent drones for beginners. Whatever your skill level, budget, or goals, there's a drone here that can help you get started and capture great memories from above. Be sure to pick the one that feels right for you, and you can find links to all the products mentioned in the description below. Happy flying and see you in the next one.